Khubor sa Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat kibakong sa mentang Shillong. Dia kemen Shillong ye na Jylla ye kijan ka donbosco media network. Yu kejat ke Presiden Draupadi Murmu ka kasin paningkong Kyllalyngkot. Daga pul ka siang bebunrong pilih ke Presiden Draupadi Murmu ye ke Meghalaya Games haturang. Ban Rung BJP ka kong Pinara el Nongan. Tamatay nga Peit sa Khubor ki pakamanya. Palat arspa tili kilong ye nga snong that Jylla kila pediang da kajing kemen ye kisong jan bala ai ngobha how news nam thamai arjar arkusau daga donbosco media network youth center la dukra haga khatsau tare Kyllalyngkot haga jingalam jo director Reverend Father Michael Makri haga jing senran lam jo kanhon dbmn pat ka to Khubor kiramba lokmi bat ki khon Samla na parish la dukra. Chuabang sam padba ya kisong jan, lapan menta ya kamas bakhot the Reverend Padar Makri, balashim benta ya kispagot ki padba NAKA ni kashnam. Hakajing batay ya kaktin jang ublay hakate kasni, upadar Makri ulapan kanmau ya kajing kot jang ublay ya Samuel, ya Petrus, bat Andreas, banlong kinong tray nagabenta jang watla kilong ki briu ki batlot bat ki baduna hagi babun kiliang hakalong brikuman briu. Kabakong sande, haban shashkor, haga jingkot jang ublay, kalong ban kongo, bat ban but, klan da bu kanu kakendon. Kabatang nalor kani, kalong ba ublay, unsa pendap penbiang lut nadong syadong, ya kita kijing duna jangi. Hadian kamas bakut, lasam lut ikisong janj, kilong yeng penikasnong, kat kibalawan ban beriang snob hayaki. Da kajing kemen bat jing snomu, kilong kemi, kilong kpa, kikun Samla, bat ki hebrid. Kila pediang dia kini kisong jan, bala ai ngobha, badra, shalaki ye kisem. Ki visiting sister of donbosco VSDB na Khubor Memorial School That Jylla, kila yarap bansam padba ya kisong jan hagan ni kasni. Kakinhon dbmn, kalawang pa na That Jylla shalad ukra, daga jinghun mensir, ba kalale kaway na kikamba bha hagan ni kasni.
Kibahing sem jong ka donbosco youth center, badru kini ki staff jungi, ki donbosco media dei maki ki ba pelum pelang ye kini ki jing ai mo kim dei ki jan ki ba thmai hoi dot ki jan ki ba thmai ru ki jan ki ba ki wei ki para bange kim pendon kam shu ye ngasem ki wanra she youth center de kini ki staff jungi na donbosco media ki pelum pelang ye ki bat ngi penpoi sha ka ne ka shnong dingai kublei ru ye ki kat ba ngai kublei pi baro. Mentakas ngi iyo semua kajing pulai ke benengkong, badu nak gospel sepang kajing kot. Biar saya kene kajing kot jong ublay na kabenta jongi du na Shillong ban poi sene. Ban le ayu, ban yo mat ya kajing i jong ublay. Haba ublay u kot un ai kata kajing mat jong kajing i kajing suk kajing kemen. Dan PGE bengi ki bawan na Shillong ni suk ni kemen na marba. Biar saya kene kajing kot jong ublay ban poi sya kene ka. Shnong be jongi. Badru kajing poi jong pi sya kaying mane, wila se kajing kot jong ublay. Hoi ha ka banang kong yong dan ki trying kemudian ki longing kemudian napo That Jylla. Tendai sister ong nga ngin penlong la kamas ki banajan ru ki mat yawan na ka benta kamas. Te kata ka kajing kot jong ublay, kabuan ba ka sur jong instar superior wila se. Mening yo semua kumno yo Samuel ublay ukot license lewat. Teka jumpuai jong pisah kena kamas berkuih jodoh saya kedai ke jengkot jong ublay, sur jong ublay kebawan lembah sister superior lembah kini ki sister lembah lembah palang lembah kini ki wahe. Teka tak kena jengkot jong ublay ukot bat kasyong hangi kumno bat jubab yang tak jengkot jongmu.
Pring situng, kongka situng, IB merciang, Joy merciang, rengkat lang dahang situng, Cinti situng, bless pasti.
One.
Halo. Rwanda, Rwanda, smart
Kini kong Umida, Hunlang, Hunlang, Mary Kermen, Mary Kermen. She won Mary Kermen, very good. Sabina, Sabina. Sabina, he won Sabina. Sabina, he won.
Ka Presiden kari India Drupadi Murmu haka khatsan tarik Kyllalyngkot kelahiar kejat haka hiar lingsui Baljek Airport Jengjal bad marmar kalalet Shamadan Purnu Esangma kabaha dakop gri niutura ban plipat ba ya kalumpung yelek kai 5th Meghalaya Games. Daki pau hajar mod kinang yelek kai naki khatway tvi ki district ka Jylla bad ki pat ba kila up lupa yaka hagani kamadan balapan iternat bat penho pentin daki rong kilo babonjai. Ular ke Jylla Phagu Chauhan, Menteri Ramba Konrad K. Sangma, Batru, the Menteri Ketenat Education Rakam E. Sangma, Kyllalet Tan Lenti, yaka Presiden Drupadi Murmu nakar yang lingsun Baljek. Ka Presiden kari India Drupadi Murmu kalapoi tiap hanong batura kalap lipat ba ya ka 5th Meghalaya Games hapurno Esangma Stadium hadako Great Tura hakmat ki lai hajar mut ki Samla ya lekai bat ki pau hajar mut ki pat ba ki balashlei hakani Ramadan ya lekai ba itenan dakaktin Hindi ka Presiden Drupadi Murmu kala padia ka jingkran pli ya kani kalumpung ba hatura. Ka 5th Meghalaya Games hatura kala sedang haka khatsan tarik Kyllalyngkot patkan kot haka apau tarik. Hakani ka sni pli ladon lang nalor ulat ke Jylla Phagu Chauhan, Menteri Ramba Konrad K. Sangma, Speaker Piyek Dorbar Tauan Thomas A. Sangma, Menteri ki Kampen Roy Sports Pak Shakliar Warjri bat kiwei ki Menteri Jong Khuborjylla. Ki officer ki coach bat kinong penyat yakani kalumpung ba. Ka agatha ki Sangma MP Lok Sabha Natura kala ai ke jingkran riang snobhai ka Presiden ya ulat bat ya baro ki Menteri Khuborjylla ya kinong penya kinong elekai nagi khatar ki district ka Meghalaya bat ki he ki han ki badon hagani kalumpung. Ka agatha kalapan kan mau ya ki jing angnu ukpajong ka upurno Esangma ban poi syakani ka thong ban penlong ya kalumpung ba hakaba kinong elekai nagi kendong kan shrap jaka Meghalaya kinyo bat ban ya lumlang ban penpau ya kan nam ka burong ka sap ka phong bat ya ka jingkrau jong ki riu lum kari India. Hakani ka kenti de ki khon jong upurno Esangma ki bala penurlong ya ka jing angnu jong ukpajong ki. Hadirin para pelipat ba ya ka 5th Meghalaya Games lapan bo de ki program Temksing de ki kunhon lalu khasi garo pajantia. Maria poi hamadan ngelekai hadakop gre ka metap sama kumu kurem jung Menteri Ramba kala tawa rendia thoriau stem harendia ka Presiden bat kiwei ki jing ai snobha ki bakenthop ya ki rendia dak manda bat ki jan rusom syabane ka nosen syar bakli du jokari.
Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Phagu Chauhan ji, Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma ji, Speaker of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Shri Thomas A. Sangma ji, Minister of Sports, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Shakliar Warjri ji, Minister of General Administration Department, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Rakam A. Sangma ji, Member of Parliament Srimati Agatha Sangma ji, organizers, participating sports persons, ladies and gentlemen. Johar, Namaskar. I am delighted to attend the inauguration ceremony of the multi-sports event Meghalaya Games. I extend my best wishes to all the participating sports persons. I am confident that they will put up a remarkable show in this edition of the Meghalaya Games. I am happy to note that this opening ceremony of Meghalaya Games is being held in the P.A. Sangama Football Stadium, which is said to be the country's largest pre-engineered composite football stadium. I pay my homage to late Sri P.A. Sangama, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and former Speaker of Lok Sabha. Sri Sangama was the first tribal Speaker of Lok Sabha and also the first Speaker from Northeast. Sri Sangama was loved by politicians cutting across party lines. He was a visionary who worked tirelessly to address Northeast region's unique challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, Northeast India traditionally has a strong sports culture. The region has a tremendous potential for development of sports and sports persons. Further, the region has a large tribal population who are good at many sports, archery being one of them. Diversity is the beauty of our nation, and we should utilize it to further boost India's global image in sports arena. There is an urgent need to support the talent from the tribal areas and groom them to become professional sports persons. I am happy to note that the Society of Northeast encourages women to play and join sports as a profession. Northeast region has produced many great women athletes. I would also like to underline the potential of adventure sports and adventure tourism in this region and the need to explore and leverage it on priority. The region has produced some great sportspersons who have contributed to India's tally in prestigious international tournaments like Olympics and Commonwealth Games. Last week, I gave Arjuna Award to hockey player Pukram Bom Sunila Chanu and Yusuf player Naurem Rosibina Devi in a ceremony held in Rashtrapati Bhavan. I congratulate both of them for making the country proud. I am confident that events like Meghalaya Games will encourage athletes for excellence, promote competitiveness, and create a vibrant sporting ecosystem. The National Sports University provides courses on sports science, sports technology, sports management, and sports coaching. I am sure it will create a rich sports ecosystem in the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that about 3,000 athletes are participating in these games. I appreciate the state government and the organizers for hosting this event. The decision of the government to hold these games in different parts of the state is a welcome step and would ensure wider reach of such events among masses. The development of sports inspectors in the state will also get a boost when these events are held at different venues. I commend the state government and local administration for using this opportunity to engage the local residents in beautification programs, cleanliness, and plantation drives. I am confident that such Jan Bhagidari programs and multicultural events will go a long way in building social harmony and creating trust among various communities of the state. India's sporting culture has developed immensely in recent years. With government's new initiatives and encouragement to the athletes, Indian sportspersons are now winning more medals than ever in global events. Indian contingent delivered spectacular performances in recently held World University Games and Asian Games. Programs such as Khelo India are helping in identifying and nurturing future sports champions. Our athletes are so determined and committed that they are making a mark in para games too. Our men and women sportspersons are keeping the India's flag flying high. Ladies and gentlemen, India has also demonstrated its ability to host large-scale international sporting and other events. India has organized the Chess Olympiad, Under-17 Football Women's World Cup, the Men's Hockey World Cup, Boxing Championship, and most recently, the Cricket World Cup. This year is March. In March, for the first time, India will host the World Shooting Para Sports event. The organization of various state-level games and other cultural and trade events will contribute in building robust sports infrastructure and creating a strong sports legacy in the country. I would like to ask the children and youth of the country to learn at least one sport and participate in sports activities. You may or may not adopt sports as a career, but playing together will inculcate team spirit and competitiveness in your personality, and apart from keeping you physically and mentally fit. In the end, I extend my best wishes to all the participants and wish this event a great success. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Kakong Dr. Finela Lundo Nonglat kelapen bena bakal rung bat penyeso ialah di Hakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hanong ba Shillong hakakat santarik Kyllalyngkot. Kelapen bena bat penparu ya kajingkwa bat jinglong bala kre jongka ban aireng haki election Lok Sabha ban wan Hakaseng BJP lada kinong yalam rangba nakanong ba New Delhi ki aila NAKA. Kalau orang ru bakal penpau sya ya kena gajing angmu jongka syakirang ba ke BJP. Kasyong mentah haki bandrai lakin ai tiket ya ka ko kertong jongka ni kaseng na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Kalau kran na kabasya ru bakanong ya kun hakan ni election bangwan lada kabyo tiket na kaseng BJP. Kalau orang ba kanong penserwa ya ki vote jki pat ba ban giang le ko kertong shimet independent namar kanum koida ai ru hakasen syar khada padba taraya thuru baro ki kot kisla ki bayade pat kajingrung jongka hakaseng BJP kila poilot shali Delhi kala pen kre era di banyat kat kum ki jing pen bet jongki nong ya lam jo kani kaseng ka kong finela kadi ka we ka long kumi ka baladon ha ka kunhu ne sa mukot rumah hayi kashari bahedu ka Jylla Meghalaya High Court bat kalau pentebet ialah di hakibabun ki phang jongki an ki kan
ngam yang independent dalili ru ban ong man pendan kam baklai go vote jong pa kan ways ka vote it will ka ways ka jai pen re ngam yang namang asutho hi independent voice nation ru tang ban itho ila dir mi tho hang te habat ni tho kum lu sidu sidal hi te ka bahi bangi leit ta ka bor shim ta ka bor le ta ka bor kidan ha ka bor ngin shim yu ta ka bor ka jongki bangin pendan kam BJP will never use me. I will use the BJP. Kita hi ketika thong jonga hi. Kalau dangam dei pangayo tiket ngam nam pendan kam baklai ka vote jong pai ba nga shong no. Ka vote ka jong pai ba kan ya chwa dei ban ya bede. Ngam tip ngating ban oi kata ngam dei pi bala dan selama BJP terhadap kita ya mentang tengam tip ki le kam no gelong no ki pan profile jonga kala hai. Kala pan ka to profile tengala dep ai chaki ngala assign ro. Tengah hai kata hi bangatip ya lade ya kiwei tengam tip kumno ki le ro kumno ki pen ki shong ro ngam tip kumno ki ya pen wandur ngam tip nama hak to kasi ba ai hak to kasi ni utu bahe do jang BJP lo ara sedal hi tengam tip nai kata ya lade tengah tip ya kiwei tengam tip Dada kila accept ye ka candidature jonga, kila accept ye gitu githong jonga. Those principles that I have been put up, ka IUA, ka instrument of accession but notified no, ka LA banyo ka exemption ni ka Jylla jongi manum trekam kani ka Land Acquisition Act but hamai ka amended law kamnum nei ban trekam man shim ka kanda wasyap jongi kan kamdei ban rung nang takatuka UCC ka exemption de provisions ki jongki ki proviso na kano kade bandan ka exemption la ta kata ki Christian minority jongi namangi ki minority ban oi ka UCC ka tribal si India fi minority mat 5 point something tang 100% te ka basaw pada kade ka 8 schedule ni tin thlet jongi ka khasi language kade ban rung no ta ka ILP kade ka way na ki atiar ka claim ha kabalada dan yolot ikine nei easily ILP nila yo prioritize can your rights ka sarkar tiba mensua kila ai bon ki hok kamram dang bon dang duna ba pendap right to education permi congress SSA permi BJP ka right to education ka an la permi ka congress government ka SSA ka right to free education pada ka ba pelang pada ya ka an man pentrekam ka de ka BJP kinono ki party ki badan hak sarkar kilale ila jong ki benta ta I think ladang ni la yo ki hak ki duties ki jong ki haban pendap ni ke
Kasurok ba National Highway 40 bat kasurok ding pun mau plang kila pernai pedal da kajing say bor jong ki tenak trekam ke sarkar bat ki pulet kila penkhut yaki ban periang burom ya ka Presiden Draupadi Murmu kanong sinshar bahakli du jong kari India kaban wan jungo ya kanong ba Shillong hakasin kaban ningkong mantakasi kandril tareku Kyllalyngkot ka Presiden kanhial hakat lingsun ding pun mat kan le jungo ya ka lau kentang hamau plang Khubor kulit kanong ba Shillong kila pen bena ban pen sange ya ka let kawan jong ki kali na kita ki surok nadu ka por badang up ya ka Presiden hadu ba kala deb ya yenti naki banwan phai sharaj bhavan ka yin sa jong ulat ka Jylla Bat itu ki Khubor lapoi ke bakut tak hadu bangin daya syambiak Khuborjylla